Alrighty guys, well today is March 30th, 2018, and this marks the day that we're going out back to Ohio to get the Model T engine and drivetrain for my 1919 Roadster. So I guess we'll just be doing the usual random updates during the trip, and we'll keep you posted. So it's another big day in Model T history. So what time is it there? 4:03. So it's early, but we'll keep you updated. Alrighty guys, well this is our first stop. It is 7:45. We have gone 245 miles, something like that. So nothing much to see going out there, but obviously we'll have the motor coming back, so you know, we'll show you guys that and maybe some other stuff. Alrighty, we'll keep you updated. Alright, so it's only a little bit later since that last update, and we're back on the road obviously here, but it's snowing. I don't know if you can see that. I figured I'd show you. But oh, this is our trip mascot. This is Zebby. But yeah, it's snowing. That's kind of interesting. It says it's what, 36 degrees. So it was like 50 before. Temperature's dropping. But yeah, I don't know how much I can get in this video. I don't know if we're probably not gonna go for a ride in his cars anymore. But I don't know. Keep you updated. It's kind of a neat view. Not as nice weather as it was going out to drop the engine off, but it is what it is. Welcome to Ohio. Cool. Train tracks. I just figured I should probably give an update. It's 9:12 and we've gone, what does that say, Dad? 337 miles. I figured I should probably give an update. Anyway, we'll get there pretty soon. Alright, some more railroad tracks. That means we're almost there. Train! Trains are cool. Alright, well I can't really show you much because we're in a rush and this guy really doesn't like me taking videos, but we got the engine all brand new pretty much. Got the axle over there. My dad's taping up the ends to protect them because it is currently snowing. So we're going to take the skid loader and load it up in the back of the truck, and that'll be that. Then we'll put the engine in and some other video. I don't know when, but you know, not much to see, but at least we got the engine back, right? Right. Woo! That was a shorty. Alright, well, have everything packed up now, engine and rear axle. Yeah, then we're just gonna send the wheels. We're gonna drive the wheels over to a guy to get the wheels respoked, and you'll see some more videos of the Model T. But first, we gotta film the trip going home. So, all right, we'll be back. All right, well, we're on the way to give the wheels to the guy to get it redone, and every once in a while, you see a well pump. It's kind of cool. Some of them are working, some of them aren't. That one has a hit and miss on it. That one has I bet you it's a Fairbanks. They're Fairbanks oil-filled engines. No, it wasn't running. It's pretty cool though. Cool country around here. Another pump. They're all over the place. Some look like they have electric motors. Some look like they might have flywheel engines. It's pretty cool. Yep, we're in Amish country. That's cool.
Turn right on State Route 643.
Yep, no power lines here. We're definitely in Amish country now. There's horse and buggies parked where cars should be. It's kind of cool. Got the oil tanks for the oil pumps. There must be oil pumps around here somewhere. But yeah, I guess we're almost there. We'll find out in a little. I don't know, there's just something so cool about that. Look at the horsey. Trot, 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 trot. The stuff you do for a Model T. We have arrived. Cool looking place. Alright, well, we're filling up for the final stretch home. Got everything loaded here. Got the it's pretty much like the going out video, but now we're coming back with the rebuilt stuff. There's the my other hog. This is my original hogshead. It's cracked right where the low gear pedal goes in, so that was junk. So he got a new one, or a used one. But yeah, we're gonna do the stretch home, and if we see anything interesting, we'll be sure to show you. But other than that, I'll just say goodbye at the house. Alrighty. It's getting kind of dark out now. It's 7:27, and we went 826 miles so far. We still have about an hour to go or so, but I figured the moon kind of looked cool. But yeah, it's getting dark out, so not too many more videos are available here. But yeah, we'll see what's going on. I'll probably finish up the video tomorrow when we're taking the engine out of the truck, because it's gonna be too late to do it tonight. But yeah, I think we'll go ahead and do that. What are you doing?
The moon.
Santa Claus. Yeah, you're howling at the moon there. But yeah, we'll get back to you. Alrighty, guys. Well, you can tell this is a couple days later. Move the engine. We got it outside here. Look, it's Eric.
Hi, guys.
Look, he has a ponytail.
I do.
Check that out. But yeah, got it here on the hoist with the lifting eye and the spark plug hole. Rebuilt from trans forward down to the ring gear for the starter and the fan bearing there, starter, generator, everything. Kevlar bands, new original Ford clutch with the high volume oil line. Give it more oil up front there. But anyway, guys, the next video will be us putting the engine in here, so stay tuned for that, and you'll see Hit and Misfits in another video. So yeah, there you go. Alrighty.